Hello everybody, welcome to the next video. Today I'm gonna be doing the badges. I'm gonna paint them black, Plasti-dipping. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. This is the first time I'm gonna Plasti-dip badges. I Plasti-dip a bunch of things in the past, but not badges. So this is gonna be the first for me. So yeah, I hope I do it right. I have an OCD with stuff, so you're gonna see me doing stuff maybe differently, maybe, I don't know. But we're gonna do the front and the back. After that, we're gonna debadge the Veloster. So yeah, let's jump right into it. All right, first thing, wipe it off with some alcohol. Give it a good cleanup, make it look good. I already did it. Next thing I'm gonna do is put some paper towels in the holes. That way I'm not gonna be painting the radiator. So I'm gonna put those there, well done, on each hole. And then the Plasti-dip is simple flat black. All right, so let's get to it. All right, it's done. Hopefully it works. So what we're gonna do is two light coats first, then like 6 or 7 coats, thick coats. That way when you peel it off, if you ever peel it off, it's easier to to peel it. So let's shake the can for at least a minute and start spraying. Now this pisses me off. This Plasti-dip can came faulty, and it's leaking like hell. So hopefully I'm gonna be able to make it. Hopefully I make it, but I'm gonna lose a lot of paint with that leak. So let's see what happens. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. Oh my god. Look at this. It's a whole freaking mess. Ugh. Look at that. It's dripping all over. Okay. Sorry for the noise. If you hear like a vacuum noise, it's my wife. We're gonna work on this now. The badges, I can't do it right now because the Plasti-dip can was bad. So at the end, it wasn't even working. At the end, it wasn't spraying. So yeah, I'll do that later. But for now, let's work on this. Let's debadge it. we're gonna heat it up real nice, and we're gonna use this, dental floss. See if it works. If not, I have some non-scraping, non-scratching plastic things. I can't remember right now the freaking word for it. But yeah, let's try it and see what happens. Alright, let's try the floss. And this is bull crap. Dental floss is a bull crap. Okay, we're gonna use some penetrant. This is Lucas oil, toolbox buddy. And see if the adhesive comes off easily. Okay, most of the glue is gone. So the penetrant liquid thing works. So now I'm gonna wipe it off, all the penetrant, clean it with alcohol, and see if it works, if I can get everything out of it. Okay, alcohol does not work. Forget about alcohol. Let's do the penetrant again and leave it there. Let's give it a couple minutes and see what happens. Okay, the glue is off completely. There's no glue left, but I'm gonna have to do something to wax it, give it a really good wax to make the paint look good, because you can see the letters, the trace of the letters. So yeah, I hope I didn't mess up the rear. So yeah, let's see what happens. I'm gonna show you later how it looks when I finish it. Okay, maybe you can see it, maybe not, but yeah, you can see this side is barely visible, this side is still visible. I'm waxing this side. I'm getting this, I got this turtle wax super hard shell finish. It's a paste wax, so it worked a little bit, but that batch was there for 7 years. So yeah, you can Still see on this side some of the traces. This side is still not, I haven't waxed it yet, so it's very visible. This one, depending on the light, you can see it. Okay, now here's the finished product. Nice. But yeah, and makes the car look good. Okay, so we're now gonna paint the Hyundai logo. What I'm gonna do is paint the rear one first, and then I'm gonna try again with the one in the front. First, we're gonna wipe it off, you know, to get all that dust. I mean, the car is washed right now, so it's not that bad, but we're gonna wipe it just to make sure we have no dust on it, and start taping around and then paint. First coat, second coat, third coat, fourth coat. Okay, this is gonna be the fifth coat. I think it's gonna be the last one. Okay, we're done with the coats. Now it's time to peel it off. So, wish me luck. Ta-da! So yeah, that will be all for today's video. And yeah, thanks for watching. I see you on the next one. The next one is gonna be interesting. I'm gonna be doing the headlights. I'm gonna make them look really nice, I hope. So yeah, I see you on the next video. Peace.